Assalamu alaikum and hello to all the viewers. My name is Mohammed Qasim and I am the program assistant for the new program here at SHB, where it's the Marijuana Mentorship program. This program is for male and female students. For this first cohort, we grabbed 20 male students, and today was the first day. Alhamdulillah, it went very well. We talked about the introduction. We talked about where each person is coming from, the high school, the college. We talked about what substance abuse is, what marijuana is, what vaping is, how is it popular. We took the pre-class quiz. We already know what vaping marijuana is. It's inhaling a vapor produced from heating, right? Which is the most popular one here is now Juuls or vape pens, right? Those are easy to get, easy to have, right? They don't smell. That's why schools cannot figure out who and what do it. Today was about leadership. So we learned about the different types of leaderships. We learned about the good leadership, the bad leadership, right? And peer pressure and how that is a form of bad leadership, and watching exactly what we do, because we always have younger people that want to become like us, right? Whether that's just a random person that sees you for the first time, a random person maybe sees you play soccer. A lot of the boys here are soccer players, right? And we have a long program, so a lot of the 7-8-year-olds are seeing the 18-year-olds and they want to play at high level as they are right now, and they're watching them play. So we told them how what they do today affects the next generation. If you're in a responsible, so say I make you a soccer coach, right? Or say I make you a teacher, right? Now every single day, what's in your mind is the decisions I make today affect someone tomorrow, right? So say I'm substance abuse, I use it and I go and I coach, and one of you guys see me, right? Is gonna say, hey, he was my role model, he's doing it, why can't I?
My name is Abu Bakr Hassan. I'm 17 years old and I play for SHB. Today we are at the SHB office for marijuana prevention course.
My name is Ahmed Noor. I go by Noor. Today I'm here at the SHB tobacco prevention cohort.
How the people of the cohort got the information today, I would say it was very I think they got it in a great manner, because first it was in a hybrid setting, right? We had some virtual, some in person, right? The in person had more talking, more social. They could see one another.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Mubarak. I'm here at the SHB office today, talking about tobacco prevention, how we can stop using tobacco, how we can make the community better for us and the people after us, like the younger kids, how we could be a better influence for the younger kids, inshallah.
I knew they were listening because they talked about budgeting. They talked about conflicting interests of other people. They talked about having different problems with people. They talked about thinking of ways to brainstorm, ways of reaching out to audiences, which told me this is everything that this leadership thing was, did they really get the information I told today? And once after that they said these things and a check, I was like, wow, they got this information.
Right now it's not even about cigarette no more. It's about something called vape or that pen. I don't know if you guys know about it. They start using that at an early young age. That's crazy. When I was 8th grade or 7th grader, all I was doing is just going home, watching TV, playing the video games, loving life. But then right now it's crazy, the world that we're living in.
Know who you're around, mostly. Like, you are who your friends are.
Because of the friends they have, and maybe their brothers smoke and they will see. The people that are older, they see that they're smoking and they will smoke, because whoever you are around is what you are. So basically, me, I surround myself with good friends that I play soccer with, that help me. If I'm doing something wrong, they will tell me that I messed up.
That's the main part of this program, right? We want these boys to find a way to become a young professional. How can I get into this? Whether you're a male or a female, right? We're open to you. We're open to things. How can we get it? There's different cohorts. This first cohort, we can't add in more people already, because it's building upon each lesson will build upon the next, right? So that's why we can't add upon it. But if you want to join it, right, we have an Instagram, we have a Gmail, we have a website, right, we have a form. You just input in your name, let us know that you want to join. We'll reach out to you when the next cohort is, right? That's how you will be able to get into this. Thank you guys for listening today.